So the process to disable and turn off Windows Defender on Windows 11 is quite simple. Simply go to your start and here type in for run, RUN, hit enter. Now here you need to type in for gpedit.msc and open. This would open up the local group policy, and here I would just widen it to see it more. Under the computer configuration, you need to go to administrative templates. Inside here, you need to go to Windows components and now scroll down a bit. And here you can see Microsoft Defender antivirus. So click on this. This would open up this menu. Now here you have an option of turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus. Double click it. This would open up. By default, it would be not configured, but we want to turn off the Defender. So we need to enable this option. So by enabling, the Defender will be turned off. So it's funny. Anyways, click enable and apply and click OK. So once you have enabled this configuration, just go and restart your computer and Microsoft Defender antivirus should be turned off. Hope this video has helped you out, but before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.